Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals have known about, however, don't actually have the foggiest idea what it is. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin sidegrade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Be that as it may, it has shown a great deal of commitment and is as of now one of the 30 greatest digital currencies on the planet. Bitcoin money, BCH survey. Bitcoin money is a hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about adaptability, slow exchange speed, and high expenses. Moreover, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine reason for the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed just like a really decentralized distributed computerized installment technique. Numerous members felt like the first Bitcoin didn't address those values any longer. Nonetheless, the Bitcoin money of today isn't the very same coin it was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC, presently known as Bitcoin Money, and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's vision. The fork was made on the grounds that the local area differ on the fate of the digital money, specifically with respect to hinder size. At first, BCH had a block size cutoff of 8 MB. This permitted the coin to bring down its charges and increment its exchange throughput. From that point forward, its block size has expanded considerably more and is equivalent to 32 MB right now. In spite of the advantages this coin can give, there are many things that stand among BCH in significance. First and foremost, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact progressed Bitcoin money. Besides the fact that BCH neglected just like a beneficial venture, yet it is additionally not being treated remotely close as in a serious way as BTC. With regards to ordinary utilization, numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We believe that absence of use for its planned intentions is the second snag that hinders BCH cost development. While in principle, this coin has a magnificent block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput, as a general rule, just a little level of BCH is effectively being utilized under 5%. Bitcoin money has a fairly inquisitive cost history. At the hour of compassing this video, in February 2022, the coin is worth nearly as much as in 2017. At send-off, the BCH cost was around $440, while now it's floating around in the $300-350 territory. As a matter of fact, what separates BCH from other well-known digital forms of money like the first Bitcoin or Ethereum is the manner by which minimal unique its cost had throughout the long term. Despite the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money essentially consistently returned to the $300-400 territory. Most other digital forms of money that get positioned in the main 30 by market cap typically see their typical costs ascend throughout the span of the years. Yet not BCH. Bitcoin money value forecast 2022 to 2030. As a famous, deep-rooted digital currency with a strong specialized establishment and an extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, can possibly go to the moon again soon. In any case, that will rely on how the digital money market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any expected guidelines. On the off chance that all works out positively and the crypto market keeps on following the direction it laid out for itself in 2017 to 2021, then BCH will have development potential and will be a wise venture. Digital currencies like Bitcoin money, which work with speedy and proficient crypto exchanges, additionally stand to acquire a great deal on the off chance that computerized monetary forms become the standard in ordinary installments. Here is our speculative Bitcoin money estimate for 2022 to 2030. If it's not too much trouble, note that this isn't speculation counsel, and make sure to do your own exploration prior to trading any digital forms of money. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Bitcoin money costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Bitcoin money will be $177.78. The greatest level that the BCH cost can reach is $208.45. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $182.97. Likely return for money invested, 59.9% by BCH value estimate for February 2023. In light of the value variances of Bitcoin money toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical BCH pace of $136.20 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $124.53 and at $140.09 separately. Possible return for capital invested, 7.5% by WAC 2023. Bitcoin money value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the BCH cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $132.44, while the greatest could reach $146.90 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitcoin money may be around $138.92. Expected return for money invested, 12.7% by BCH value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of Bitcoin money in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal BCH rate they anticipate may be around $144.48 in April 2023. It can drop to $138 as a base. The greatest worth may be $153.84. Likely return for capital invested, 18% by May 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate around mid-year 2023. The BCH cost will be exchanged at $150.25 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Bitcoin money worth to $159.62. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $145.07 in May 2023. Possible return for money invested, 22.4% by BCH value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Bitcoin money costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023. $153.26. The least and pinnacle BCH rates may be $146.78 and $167.13. Possible return on initial capital investment, 28.2% by July 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the BCH cost will be around $159.39. In July 2023, the Bitcoin money cost might drop to at least $154.20. The normal pinnacle worth may be $174.80 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 34.1% by BCH value gauge for August 2023. Having broke down Bitcoin money costs, digital currency specialists expect that the BCH rate could arrive at a limit of $181.17 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $156.09. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Bitcoin money is almost $162.58. Expected return for capital invested, 39% by September 2023. Bitcoin money value estimate around mid-2023. The Bitcoin money cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $167.45. Crypto